What is up, responsible day traders? Today is Monday, August the 3rd, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is my new shirt. Had an odd day today. I started feeling a little bad in the middle of trading and stopped at that point. But I did trade overnight last night. If you want to check that out, let's do that really quick. That what you see right there is a little Sunday night trading. So I spent the weekend doing a lot of growth and development work for myself and for my students. I was just finishing up working and I said, you know what? I'm going to put this mindset into practice. And this is what I did for Sunday night. I did take a long here, got out for 2 points when it pulled back 1.5 points. And then I turned around, took the short, knew I was a little late on the entry, did end up taking the loss there. Then I got back into the short immediately, pretty much on the same price that I got out on, because it gave me a much better place to have my risk. Took the first exit for 2 points, 1.25 points. I would have been stopped out by this point when it pulled back because I did have my risk right above this area. This break even right here, I was hitting close as this pulled back, or so I thought, but I actually hit sell bid and it put me in really quick. I hit close very quickly. So I got a break even on that one, which is fine, but I want to include it because it's there. So this is the rest of what we did today. Not too shabby, I would say. 11.5 points with 4 trades, 1 being a break even. So that was today's journey. I spent the entire weekend working on some growth and development work for students and for myself, which is why whenever the market started up last night and I was looking at it, I said, man, I'm going to put this mindset into action, because what keeps going through my mind is, the way that I trade and that I work with students is be quick and clever or be calculated for the long haul. You have to kind of flip that thought process back and forth so many times in a day, the way that we trade. So sometimes when the market is really giving these big swings, you can be more calculated for the long haul. But whenever it's just pulling back and forth and back and forth and back and forth, you have to be quick and clever. And switching that mindset back and forth is really hard sometimes. Even remembering that those are 2 different mindsets that are available to me, being quick and clever or being calculated for the long haul. Quick and clever, you're still being calculated. Don't get me wrong. Am I wanting to just get in and out really quick? Or am I looking to wait for the bigger pullback, wait for the bigger moves? And today I was not willing to wait for the bigger moves. So it was quick and clever today. I'm never going to get through this without somebody walking in here. So just loose out it. Anyways, like I'm enjoying my new favorite shirt. I hope you enjoy the video. Right, I just want to kick this off. You can hear a little music in the background. In a minute, we'll hear what number I am in the queue, which I was 16 in the queue, and I have been for a while, so I might still be there. So what I want to talk about is the daily chart. Ooh, look at the way this is just rolling to the upside. Now, it can be very easily manipulated at this point, but that sure does look like it wants to go to the upside. It is early in the day. We're 9:21, which means we're about an hour into the market opening. Still the 15th caller. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this away until I'm done with my call. But I just wanted to take a look. I'll probably take another peek at it before we get kicked off. So let's see how it goes. All right, let's get this party started. I sat there on hold for quite a long time to find out that I didn't need to be on hold. I didn't need to be in that call. Okay. It is what it is. Take that first one out right there. I hit close. So I had a lot going on in my head that I didn't say out loud here. One of the things is the way that the 233 MACDs are pulling down to the bottom Bollinger Band, or pulling down to the zero line, as we're getting a reversal bar at the EMA. We have the 1597 rolling to that bottom Bollinger Band, but not pushing through. Very, very weak pullback so far. The 10946 had a weak roll down. The 4181 looked like it was really trying to roll up just a little bit there. So those were all things that were going through my head that said this had more of a potential to actually give me something to work with for a little bit than not. Oh, it hasn't put the second one in. There we go. I like the way these are still rolling up. Okay, just the way these haven't pushed up strong, these neither. That tiny little bar. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Is that all I'm gonna do today? Because I do have some trades from last night. You know what, guys? So now I'm gonna I really finished in 18 minutes. Last time I tried to do this, I ended up with a break-even day. So I will show you what I did in trades last night. I was sitting in front of my computer. I was doing a whole bunch of work with some videos that I was creating, just kind of some update videos for the curriculum. My mind was in such a great place. It was really set, and I think it's been a while since I said it like this. While I was in the moment, the market had opened. I was just feeling it, I guess you could say. And so I did it. It's not something I would typically do. Y'all know I don't normally trade evenings. So let's look at that. Let's come back here. Do I think this could have gone down more? Yeah, I don't remember what was happening. I think it was just like, what are you doing trading at night? It's bedtime and you need to get out of this. My brain was in a good space though, so here's today's. All right, so I had to slide it off to the side and just say, no, you're done for the day. I spent the weekend working on some things. I would like to trade a little more this week, but if it's anything like what we're seeing right now, I'm probably not going to be jumping up on that. It does look like it's trying to give that move to the upside, but it's moving so slow that whenever it moves like that, I have the uncanny knack of second guessing myself. So last night, that was actually something I was working on with that. Like, don't second guess yourself. When it says it's time to get out, get out. And so just that's what I'm doing. I just had that thought of going through my head, be quick and clever or be calculated for the long run, because that's how you have to change those mindsets. And sometimes I have to just choose one for the day. Today was more of the quick and clever, I would say. So, all right, guys, we're going to wrap it up. I hope everybody has a most magnificent Monday. Focus on all the good. Breathe, be, do. Okay. So that's my plan. It may seem a little hokey, but these really help me every day to just stay in that right mindset. I hope everybody has a magnificent Monday. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love y'all being here with me. So please like and subscribe so we can spend a little more time together.